what's really great about MCG is it's a super bright and intelligent and clinically and technologically sophisticated company. It's a very unique place in that you have incredibly bright clinicians, incredibly bright technologists and product people, all kind of in one place. And the reason it works is because everyone is so like collegial. Like it's a very collegial place. It's like almost like a mini, well, maybe universities aren't very collegial now, but it could be like, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like, it's really, and you can feel it when you're around the people. Very bright people, super thoughtful, trying to do the right thing. And nobody's jumping to conclusions. There's very little emotion. It's very calm. It's very thoughtful. And I think that is attractive to people. It's almost like a place where you go and you kind of feel like you're smart by being part of it. And then it's calm also. And you're like, wow, this is a really cool place to work. So that's what I feel. So I would love, if in a parallel universe, I would work at MCG. I think it'd be great. At Hearst Health, we're really, it's very much a culture of, you've got a ton of smart people who could do anything they want to. They don't have to be here. And that means that for them to stay here, it's got to be really interesting. It's got to be a really unique environment. And I think that's special about Hearst Health. And the other thing that's really great is some businesses that are in the technology space, they're like the cult of personality. It's like the founder or like the super bright person, and we're all going to follow that person. It's almost like and we don't have that here. You know, we're really about kind of the mission, and everyone's aligned behind the mission. And I think that's really important too, because I think the kind of the authoritarian approach is, I would never work in a place like that. And then the cult of personality becomes kind of like, okay, you know, do we just wait for the oracle to tell us what to do tomorrow? You know, which is not going to work either. And I think you're less agile that way too, because to be able to adjust to all these different market movements or innovations, you can't have one person seeing around the corner. That just doesn't work. You have to have really smart people and teams thinking about it.